Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to look at how we can extend our plastering to cover a exposed slab edge or a beam. Now we are in the plan view. Let me double click over here to go to the section view. And here in this section, you can see this is our bottom wall and this is our slab, but this edge of the slab is exposed. If you go to the 3D view, you can see that this face of the slab is exposed over here. In this tutorial, we are going to look at how we can cover these slab beds with plastering. Okay, let's come back to our section. First, we need to select the slab we need to modify, and then we go to this edit type. Here we have this preview button. Click on it. Now we have this plan view. We don't want that. We just want our longitudinal section, and this is it. Let's zoom it a bit, and you see over here, this is our core, the brick wall, and these are our plastering. So I go to edit. I have this finish 2 and the finish 1. Then I go to this modify. I hover my mouse over this edge and I get this line highlighted. And when I get this line highlighted, I click on it and then I unlock it. Now I click on this OK, but I got this error message. But when I expand it and read it, I don't get anything. But the reason is that this wall is attached to this roof. So we have to detach it. First, I select this upper portion. And then I go to this temporary hide isolate. And then I tap on this hide element to hide everything. And then I select this wall that we need to modify. Then I type SA to select all. And now you see everything comes under wall category are selected. And now I click on this detach top base option and I click on this slab. Now you see every wall is detached. Now I once again zoom this wall and I select this. And this time I again go to edit type and I have this longitudinal section over here. I tap on this edit and I have this finish 2 as I did before. I go to modify, set this edge and I unlock it. Then I click on this OK, apply, OK. Now I don't get any warning. You see here I have 2 grips over here. Now I can extend this plastering up to the top edge of the slab and the slab edge is now covered. Now I go back to my temporary isolate option and I reset temporary hide isolate. And if I go to 3D view, I can see over here, the slab edge is covered. Here you see we have a beam over here. So let's find out how we can cover this beam. Now I again go to my plan view. Now I double click to view the section. And you see this is the wall and this is the beam. I select this wall. And you see over here the wall has 2 grips on the upper side and a single one on the lower side. And if we hold on the single lower grip and pull down the wall, the whole wall will be pulled down. So we have to find a solution to cover our beam with plastering on both sides. Let's see how we can do it. Let's select it and go to edit type. Let me zoom it a bit to see the lower side clearly. And here, and I tap on this edit. I select this structure. I go to modify, select the lower boundary line of the structure, and I unlock it. And I click on this OK, apply, OK. Now you see I have 3 grips over here. If I hold on any of the terminal grips and pull down, the whole structure will be pulled down. But I need to get my brick structure back to where it was earlier. I mean the top of the beam in this case. So I hold on the central grip and pull it up. Now you can see over here only the brick core is moving and the plastering retains on both sides of the beam. And the beam is now covered with plasterings on both sides. Now let's go to the 3D view. You see over here, this beam is perfectly covered. And that's the end of the tutorial. Thanks for watching and goodbye.